Hello beautiful people, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to make this elegant yet very easy to make jhumka set. I hope that you will love this tutorial and will definitely try to make this jhumka at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And as you know, my channel is new here on YouTube. Your one subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my channel on this platform. So do hit that subscribe button so that I can bring such amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is 3 mm pearl beads, jhumka cap, then base cardboard, any fabric. I am taking this shimmery fabric, Fevibond glue, and 30 gauge wire, cutter plier, and so first of all we will make the round out of this. So you can see I have made a round and it is of like 1 rupee coin round. So I'm for strengthening I'm taking these 2 rounds, and now we are going to add a fabric to this. So I'm taking this fabric and I'll check if it is matching over here, and then we'll cut the extra part. And we'll stick this fabric over here with the help of Fevibond glue. I'm taking this glue and will apply it here. So I will cut this extra part. Now we are going to add this earring stud to this. So I'm taking this earring stud and we'll add it over here. So we'll keep this for drying, and till that we are going to add beads to this pearl. So for that we will take this jhumka cap. So I have taken this silk thread jhumka cap, and with the help of 30 gauge wire we are going to add this pearl beads. So we will first wave the beads. If you are enjoying my technique till now, do hit the like button. Okay, so I have added enough beads to cover the last end. So now what we will do is, first we are going to wrap these ones like this. Okay, and I'll cut the extra wire. So this much beads are required, and now we are just going to keep it like this. So first I will add the Fevibond glue. So I'll take this one and I will add a Fevibond glue to the edges over here, and make sure to add ample amount of glue and just keep it over here. And then from upside to this, so we are going to add beads like this, you can see, and we'll wait for a while to get it dry, and then again we will add the upper layer, so till the time it is not coming or to this end. So with this, so you can see I am able to uplift the is okay. So with this you can see we are able to attach beads. Make sure to add ample amount of beads over here and to all the area. So in this way we are going to do this. So I'll quickly do for the whole circle and we'll come. So guys, you can see I have added these beads to the whole jhumka cap and it's looking so pretty, right? Now what we are going to do is we will keep this aside and we'll make a back. We will do back finishing of this. For that I'm taking this green fabric and we'll cut a little bit portion of this fabric. And we'll add a glue here. Okay, so we'll wait for a while to get this dry and then we will continue our further work. We just have to attach these two together now. So we'll wait for this to get dry. So guys, this has dried up and we'll quickly cut this fabric now. Okay, so I have cutted this and now we will attach this jhumka base. So I'm taking this wire and first I will insert beads only in this. And we'll wrap these beads here. Okay. Now from this hole we are going to add this wire upside and you can see there is a hole I have already made with the help of safety pin. So we'll insert this wire in this. Don't put pressure on the pearls, otherwise they will get away. Okay, so you can see our beautiful pearl earring is ready and that's our second. Our earrings are finally ready. We have made them in a very simple way. You can try them for any upcoming festival or wedding season. If you enjoyed this design, do hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from us. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.